Good day, welcome to my channel, Ken's Hobbies. And today, my buddy here, Bob, showed up. We went to move some vinyl over there. I'll show it to you later here. Discovered my gate is falling apart, so we got a gate repair here, and now I have assistance. Yeah, so. See, it came apart here, down here. So we're going to begin by removing this hinge. It doesn't help when there's junk in the head. Okay, you're going to have some weight drop on you, Bob. Okay. Okay. First thing we gotta do is get this board back in place. Now we'll move that hinge. Now, we gotta get these two nails back, so I need the hammer. I'll go on this side. Just holding on it. Hold it right there. Don't move not till I get there. Just hold it right there until I get that side.
I was going to swing the bottom.
Yeah, well, it'll come, but I want to get the top started first. Okay, now we're going to put some couple of screws here too as well. That's the extra screws for. Make it a little tougher. The bit head is kind of that sucked it in. Okay, here I'll lift it up. I'll hit straight up. Hot more. There, right there. Keep it right there, it'd be perfect. Come on, get in the hole. Ah, great.
Sorry about that, Chief.
Do this a little different. This is more prepared.
More?
Well, I'm trying to help you here. Two things at one time here. Okay. I dropped one screw in the grass here somewhere. Somewhere down in here. One like that.
Is that it there?
Could be.
I can't tell.
I know, I can't hardly eat. First. representative. Now we can worry about the bottom. Okay, now need a big hammer in the shop.
Yeah. Ken?
Yeah, or I've got a better idea.
Yeah. Give me
Don't pull it that way.
No, I'm pushing it out.
Yeah, that's it. That's the way it's got to come.
Okay, I gotta use my other foot. How's that?
Good. Let me tap it while you're holding the pressure on it. That's working. Okay, a little bit more. Good enough. That'll do for now. I'm going to have to do a little more to it, but that can be done at a later date. Okay, now let's get this first gate closed. Yep, these rods are formed. I got 2 holes here. Somewhere. They're hiding in here. Oh, there it is. See that right there?
Yeah.
That's I got a rod in there that I hammered in there. And this is down there. What I got to do is I got to make a loop around that to keep that in, eh? Now this one,
He's gonna have to come up.
oh yeah, definitely. See how much we got to come up with it, Blanche? I got a better idea. Why don't you over there by the trees? There's a whole pile of 4x4s. Also,
This short one will work.
yeah.
Where's your crowbar, Ken?
That's a good. Huh? That's somewhere in the shop there. That might just do what I'm looking for. Yeah, that'll work. I said I'd show you the siding I got. This is what I'm going to be using for the boathouse here, siding here. That's what we had there. I just got a couple samples here, laid out here, and calculating whether to go horizontal like that, or if to go vertical, like ground up to the base of the ceiling here. And that's what I'm contemplating now, and that's why I just got these first 2 pieces laid out like this to see how much waste material I'd have there. And I can see when I measured it vertical, looks like that's the route I'll go. Anyhow, I'm glad that that's in out of over there. That's what led to having the old gate repair here.
You're all tangled. How come you're tangled? No. How come you're tangled? Eh? How come you're tangled?
I think I can find my 3/8 screws.
Okay, you ready?
No, I'm not. Let me get started here first. Perfect. That was a good eyeball right there. Oh shit, I should have brought my drill out. Want me to get my drill, please? And I see another problem here too. Problem that's got to be taken care of here too. need the other gun. I'll need the other gun.
Shit. I can't look down. I can't go down past my waist.
Oh, you're this shit's getting old, isn't it?
No, because this eye, my new eye, it will fall out.
Oh, you're kidding me.
Because it's not.
Oh, really? Well, here, I'll get it then. Don't worry about it.
It's good. It takes 2 weeks
I'll be damned.
to get it. And I'm not supposed to lift over 5 pounds.
I'm not supposed to lift anything over 15. No, I'll give you a little tip here. You can hold this up like that. How to get more leverage.
Oh, I had enough leverage there, Ken. I had to move it back because it wasn't working with the shit. Okay?
Not ready yet. I gotta get
Well,
these screws out.
Okay, well, it's up anyway.
Start. Right through the washer like this. Okay. It's up.
That's it.
That's it. Suck it in.
Yeah, okay. Just about right.
Oh, more interesting. Use what you got.
Well, let's have to do some more.
That's what we want. Oh, look at that. That's be darned. I'll be damned. Good thing a screw would break like that, eh?
It would. See, it's because they're soft.
Yeah. Chinaman. Half these screws are built in China. We'll have to find some more. Okay, well, at least it's there. We can get the gate closed now.
Here.
That improved it a lot.
Yeah, just up and
Yeah.
I'm just going to put this on the deck.
Okay.
Well, you want me to lift that up?
Nope. Remove this. Entirely. There. Going up on where to put that for it now. It can be a later date. We'll keep this in here. We should be able to do this. That'll work. That'll work. Okay. Oh, you can't bend it down right. Well, you had a lot of force in that. You had to look at that bend in the bar. Okay, I'll put this like that. I'll get the rest of the tools here. And we are done. Well, there's our repair for the gate. Almost forgot. Anyway, I do have a little update I should tell you about. I don't know how to word this, but I have a very serious medical issue that all of a sudden came. That's why I haven't been posting very many videos, because of my condition. It started out, I got that flu bug, whatever was going on, is how it all started. And that was almost at the beginning of the month, before almost 3 weeks. And it seemed like just one thing led to the next, led to the next. No ending. I'm trying to adjust the camera here to get it into a position where I can leave it. There we are. That'll work. And I'll post a picture here, show you the problems. I've ended up in the hospital twice now, and things don't look good for me. I got a rupture, what I thought to be a stomach rupture. I've got a picture. I'll just post a picture showing the rupture. So I was in. I called the ambulance and had them take me into the hospital this last time, thinking that I'd get better service. Well, yeah, I did get better service. Still a waiting time. It seems like hospitals there in turn, no matter when you're walking yourself or have somebody take you in, it ends up that you sit there and you wait, and you wait, and you wait. But during all my waiting, and that's why, in a sense, I'm glad that I did call the ambulance and go in via the ambulance, because it was on a Sunday, which the least amount of services were in the hospital. But because of the condition I was in going in, they apparently had to call in certain, what do you call them? I don't know, that runs the equipment. I guess you'd call them doctor technicians or whatever. I'm not sure on that aspect. In any which case, I had to have x-rays and a CAT scan, a CT scan, as it's called, and a couple other tests. So I had several tests. They thought at first it was a hernia, and that's what I thought at first too. I couldn't see a hernia because I hadn't lifted anything heavy or done anything since my last video. And that's the last video why I posted just that song, which I see looked like to be quite a popular song, that old 78 that I played and made the video of my home by the Fraser. That's what I posted just to give you some content. And so far, 54 views. I was surprised. In 1 week, 54 views. So anyway, well, today when Bob showed up, hey Bob, I want this damn siding for the boathouse moved over, and that's when we discovered that gate. So thanks to him is why we got to fix that gate, because I could not do that alone, or I'd be in worse shape back in the hospital. So what I'm waiting now for is I have to see a specialist, the urologist, because they suspect I may have prostate cancer. So that's what I'm waiting for now, is the phone call from the urologist for appointment to see him. Got the call yesterday, and it just so happened when the call came in, I swear they suspect everybody has these things hung around the neck like this. I was on the throne when the call came. Well, my phone's sitting here on the table. I couldn't get off the throne to come and answer the phone. I tried calling back, and the only message I got sounded like there's only a certain time where he calls you. So I'm waiting for that, or hopefully a return call, or else I have to contact the hospital again. So I don't think you'll be seeing very many videos posted as I was before, but I'm crossing my fingers that I can. My main goal this year is to get, number one, to get that boathouse finished. Number two is start getting the house finished, because I got a feeling we're going to have to sell out and downsize, that my life is taking a change. So those are my top two main priorities. And the third one, of course, is getting my car back on the road. So anything else in between will be more of a fill-in. Anyway, back to the gate project. I'll get the rest of the tools here, and we are done. Well, there's our repair for the gate. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. Adios.